Hello student. Now we are going to discuss some question regarding trigonometry. One question given that 22b number 13. Okay. 5 cos A minus 12 sin A is equals to 0. Okay. From that relation we can take 12 sin A that side. Okay. Now interchange we got sin A by cos A equal to 5 by 12. Okay. You know that sin A by cos A is 10A. So 10A equal to 5 by 12. Now we have to find the value of sin A plus cos A by 2 cos A minus sin A. Okay. So it will be for this situation what we will do? We can make sin A and cos A into 10A. Okay. So divide cos A in both numerator side and denominator side. Okay. So for that sin A by cos A plus cos A by cos A 2 cos A by cos A plus sin A by cos A. We know that sin A by cos A is nothing but 10A plus cos A by cos A, it will be 1, and here cos A by cos A again 1, sin A by cos A 10A. So now substitute the value of 10A, that is 5 by 12 in this equations. Okay, so we got the value 17 by 19. Okay, so the simple questions like that question we will discuss in the second chapter. Now, again one question we will discuss. So sin x equal to root 3. Given that 24 number, two sin x equal to root 3. Okay, if it is given that 2 sin x to root 3, we will have to find the value of 4 sin cube x minus 3 sin x. And 3 cos x minus 4 cos cube x. Okay, if 2 sin x equal to root 3 given, you have to find the value of 4 sin cube x minus 3 sin x and 3 cos x minus 4 cos x. For this, you have to find the value of b. Okay, means sin x given from this, sin x equal to what? Root 3 by 2. Is it? This 2 this side boom. Okay, if it is come this side, it will be divided. Sin is equal to root 3 by 2. What sin is nothing but the perpendicular by hypotenuse. It will be root 3 by 2. Let p is to h. It will be root 3x is to 2x. Okay. From this relation, you have to find the value of b. How to find the b? b equal to the square root of x square minus p square. It will be 2x square minus root 3x square, square root 4x minus 3x, it will be x square, it will be, so b will got x. Okay, now coming to the questions. 4 sin cube x minus 3 sin x. Okay, for this sin cube x. Okay, so we have the value of sin, it will be root 3 by 2. Okay, 4 into root 3 by 2, its cube, minus 3 into root 3 by 2, and what is the cube of root 3? It will be 3 root 3. So 4 into 3 root 3 by 2 cube is 8. You got here 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2. So 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3, it will be cancel out, so answer will be 0. Understood? For the value sin x equal to root 3 by 2, okay, the value of 4 sin cube x minus 3 sin x, it will be 0. Now for next questions, 3 cos x minus 4 cos cube. 3 cos x minus 4 cos cube x. It will be cos x equal b by x. We got b is x by 2x. It will be 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2 minus 4 into 1 by 2 its whole cube. It will be 3 by 2 minus 4 into 1 by 8. It will be 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. It will be 1. Okay. This is the required answer. Understood? It can be done in another way. Okay. After finishing chapter 23, this will be quite easy for you, and you know the values of trigonometric functions. Understood? Little bit. See the number. So this is the solution in this way. You can do 22b. Okay. It is very easy. No problem. You will take 2 days to complete this chapter. Okay. Again, I will give some questions from another book. You can also do that. Okay. And remember that from your book back side, stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 is there. Okay. So from that, I will select some question that including 22a and b. Okay. Also you finish the numbers. Okay. And remember that you will write the number in your fair copy. Again, one question here, like that question, 21 number. The question given that if Q10 equal to P, Q10 equals to P, find the value of Q P sin A minus Q cos A whole divided by T sin A plus Q cos A. Okay, we have Q10 equal to P, then 10 equal to what? Obviously P by Q. Okay, now coming to this. P sin A by Q cos A. Divide throughout the denominator by cos A. Why? Because sin A by cos A is 10A. We have to find the value of 10A. Okay. So P into P sin A minus Q cos A divided by cos A. Again P sin A plus Q cos A divided by cos A. Okay, now this cos going to here, P sin A by cos A, Q cos A by cos A, P into sin A by cos A plus Q into cos A by cos A. So it reduces to P tan A minus Q by P tan A plus Q. Now we will substitute the value of tan A. It will be P by Q, P into P by Q minus Q by P into P by Q plus Q. After simplification, take the LCM. Okay, it will be P square minus Q square by P square plus Q square. It is your final answer. Okay, so step I omit some step because space is not there here. Okay, you can do the calculation properly to finding the proper answer. Okay, let us see the number. Again, I will explain to you. Okay. Given here that Q10 equal to P, we have to find the value of this P sin A minus Q cos A divided by P sin A plus Q cos A. Okay, so from this Q10 equal to P, when Q come this side, it will be divide 10A equal to P by Q. Now here in this equation, what we will do, we will divide throughout the numerator, this numerator and denominator by cos A. Why? Because you have to make 10A. We have to make 10A. Okay. So divide it by P sin A minus Q cos A divided by cos A, and P sin A plus Q cos A divided by cos A. So like LCM, cos A divided here, and here. Okay. So after simplification, it will be P 10A minus Q by P 10A plus Q. Substitute the value of 10A, that is P by Q here. Okay. So P into P by Q minus Q divided by P into P by Q plus Q. After taking LCM, it will be P square minus Q square by Q and P square plus Q square by Q. Q cancel out. This is your final answer. P square minus Q square by P square plus Q square. Okay. Now you will solve one triangle problem. Okay. Triangle problem. In triangle problem, what happen? You have to find all the values of the sides. Okay. So for triangle problem, an example, one question I will take from your book. One triangle given. Okay. Given that in a triangle, question number 6, 32b, question number 6, one figure given. Okay, one figure given like that. In this figure, okay, it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, A B C, name given here, A B C, where A B and AC are equal. Okay, so A B and AC are equal. Now, what you have to do? You have to find the value of sin B, tan C, sin square B plus cos square B, and tan C minus cos B. Okay, and also given two values that AC equal to AB 5 cm. This both are given 5 cm. One perpendicular, and BC given 8 cm. So BC given 8. When the perpendicular, this will remember this. If an isosceles triangle, when the perpendicular to the next side, it will divide the side into equal parts. These two parts are equal, each of 4 cm. Okay. You know the by Pythagorean tablet. 5 is the hypotenuse, 4 is the base, so 3 is the perpendicular. Okay, so it is quite easy if you remember the Pythagorean triplet. Okay, I will also write that by Pythagorean triplet, give the name here D. AD equal to 3 cm. Obviously, 3 for 5 is the Pythagorean triplet. Okay, what you have to find? First thing you have to find the value of sin B. Sin B. Okay. Sin B. For this angle, this is base, this is perpendicular. Okay, what sin theta? The perpendicular by hypotenuse. So 3 by 5. Okay. Then you have to find the value of tan C. For this triangle, this angle, C angle, this is base, this is perpendicular. Tan C, tan is nothing but the perpendicular by base, so here perpendicular, and here is the base 3 by 4. Now, sin square B plus cos square B. Here sin B is 3 by 5, it's square, plus cos is what? 4 by 5. its square, it will be 3 square plus 4 square by 5 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, it will be 25. It's 5 square only, so 5 square by 5 square, it will be 1. The answer is 1. And IB, tan C minus cot B. Tan C minus cot B. You have the value of tan C here, 3 by 4. What is cot B? Okay, cot B is for this angle. Cot B is the base by perpendicular, 4 by 3. LCM will be 12. Okay, 4 3 are 9, 3 4 are 16. So it will be minus 7 by 12. Okay, like this you can finish your chapter. Okay, and ask me the regarding doubt. And remember student, for asking doubt your time will be morning 8 to 10 or 11, okay, and in the evening 6:30 to 9, okay. Not other time you post the doubts, only that time you can ask the doubts, okay. That time I am available for you, okay. Thank you. So now we have completed 22D. So we complete the numbers. Also, I will select the numbers for you from that stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3, so that you can complete also that number. Okay. For stage 1, number 177 to 185. All the numbers you have to do. 177 to 185. Also 186. Sorry, not 100. 186 also you can solve. Then comes stage 2. Hundred 12 to 115. And from stage 3, hundred 16 to 125. Okay, thank you. So then continue this number. Okay, and ask me the regarding doubts. Thank you, student.